Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your trusted channel for exploring the cutting-edge technologies shaping our world. Today, we're diving into an innovation that's transforming the agricultural landscape: smart farm management, the key to sustainable agriculture. Stick with us as we uncover how smart farming technologies are paving the way for more efficient, productive, and eco-friendly agricultural practices. The need for sustainable agriculture. With the global population projected to surpass 10 billion by 2050, the demand for food is skyrocketing. Traditional farming methods, while effective in the past, can no longer sustain this growing need without causing severe environmental damage. Sustainable agriculture, driven by smart farm management, is the solution. Key challenges addressed by sustainable agriculture. 1. Resource depletion. Reducing the overuse of water, soil, and energy. 2. Climate change. Adapting to unpredictable weather patterns. 3. Food security. Ensuring stable and equitable food supplies. What is smart farm management? Smart farm management combines advanced technologies like IoT, big data, and robotics to optimize farming operations. These systems provide real-time data, actionable insights, and automated solutions to help farmers make informed decisions and maximize efficiency. Core features of smart farm management: IoT sensors monitor soil moisture, crop health, and environmental conditions. AI-powered analytics predict trends, identify risks, and offer actionable recommendations. Automated systems control irrigation, fertilization, and pest management. Cloud integration centralize data for easy access and analysis. Components of smart farm management systems. 1. Precision agriculture tools. Use GPS and sensors to apply resources like water and fertilizer precisely where needed. 2. Automated irrigation systems. Optimize water usage based on soil and weather data. 3. Livestock monitoring devices. Track animal health and behavior to improve welfare and productivity. 4. Drones and robotics. Perform tasks like planting, monitoring, and harvesting with precision. 5. Weather monitoring stations. Provide accurate forecasts to help plan farming activities. How smart farm management works. Smart farm management relies on a network of connected devices and platforms that work together to optimize operations. Here's how it functions. 1. Data collection. IoT sensors gather data on soil, weather, crops, and livestock. 2. Data transmission. Information is sent to cloud-based platforms for analysis. 3. Analysis and insights. AI processes the data to generate actionable recommendations. 4. Implementation. Automated systems or farmers execute these recommendations. Benefits of smart farm management. 1. Improved efficiency. Reduce waste and maximize resource utilization. 2. Enhanced productivity. Boost crop yields and livestock performance. 3. Cost savings. Lower input costs with precise application of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. 4. Sustainability. Minimize environmental impact by conserving resources and reducing emissions. 5. Risk management. Predict and mitigate risks like pest outbreaks or extreme weather events. Applications in different farming sectors. 1. Crop farming. Optimize planting, irrigation, and pest control for higher yields. 2. Livestock management. Monitor feeding, health, and breeding to improve productivity. 3. Greenhouse farming. Automate climate controls for year-round production. 4. Urban agriculture. Enable vertical farming and hydroponics in confined spaces. Challenges in adopting smart farm management. 1. High initial investment. The cost of equipment and installation can be significant, but long-term savings often offset this expense. 2. Technical expertise. Farmers may need training to use and maintain advanced systems effectively. 3. Connectivity issues. Reliable internet is crucial, especially in rural areas. Solutions like satellite connectivity can help. 4. Data security. Protecting sensitive data requires robust cybersecurity measures. Future trends in smart farm management. 1. AI integration. Advanced algorithms will provide even more precise recommendations. 2. Renewable energy. Solar-powered devices and machinery will further enhance sustainability. 3. Blockchain technology. Improve traceability and transparency in food production. 4. Advanced robotics. Autonomous machines will take over complex tasks like pruning and harvesting. 5. Data-driven collaboration. Farmers will share insights globally to improve practices and outcomes. How to implement smart farm management. Step 1. Identify your needs. Pinpoint areas of your farm where smart technology can make the biggest impact. Step 2. Start small. Begin with 1 or 2 components, like soil sensors or automated irrigation, to test their effectiveness. Step 3. Seek expertise. Consult with technology providers or agricultural consultants for guidance. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Use data insights to refine your strategies and maximize benefits. Step 5. Scale up. Expand your system gradually as you become more comfortable with the technology. Building a sustainable future. By embracing smart farm management, farmers can increase efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and ensure food security for future generations. These systems are not just tools but essential components of a sustainable agricultural strategy. The smart way forward in farming. Smart farm management technology is revolutionizing agriculture, offering solutions to some of the industry's most pressing challenges. By adopting these systems, farmers can achieve greater efficiency, sustainability, and profitability. Thank you for joining us on Tech Dream Gear. If you found this episode insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on technologies transforming our world. Let's dream big and farm smarter together.